本節目由 SF Happy Free 和 Peninsula Healthcare District 贊助播出。歡迎翻嚟名人會客廳。咁上一節咧 Dr. So 咧你就提到啦，就係呢個其實乙肝咧早期咧就係冇病冇痛唔覺嘅，有 even 檢查出嚟咧可能都係冇事嘅。咁就幾時會發現唔妥咧？
即係如果發現有病徵嗰陣時，好多時已經好後期㗎啦，後期嘅肝癌啊，或者已
經係肝癌㗎啦。
所以最緊要咧，如果有乙肝啲人咧，你有時唔好聽你個醫生講，你話哦你係即係健康嘅帶菌者啫，呢個係錯嘅。係最緊要咧，一定要做定期檢查。一到有即係檢查到你有損傷肝嗰個時候咧，就一定要開始食抗病毒嗰啲治療。同埋如果你有乙肝啊，屋企人有乙肝令到變成肝癌咧，嗰啲病人咧，唔理你檢查啲結果係好唔好咧，如果你係帶菌者咧，就應該開始食抗病毒嗰啲藥物嚟防止變成有肝癌。
所以真係及早發現咧就好緊要啦。
所以根本唔應該再有人死於乙肝㗎啦。但係每年咧有成120萬人全世界每年死於乙肝。
哦，哇！真係呢個數字好驚人啊！尤其是當中其實大部分都係亞裔多，係咪嚇？So here, Richard, I know you have a story, a real life story. It's a very sad story to share with us.
Yeah, recently I was speaking to one of the doctors we speak to who has hepatitis B patients, and he was telling me that he was this past year treating a sister of a brother and sister pair that had come from China, and they had been working really, really hard. They're in their, I think, early 40s and really building a life in America for themselves to bring their families over. And suddenly the sister started feeling some pain in her stomach and went to the doctor, and the doctor found out that she had late-stage liver cancer from hepatitis B. And she had never known that she had hepatitis B. And so, of course, the brother is like, okay, what do we do to solve this? Can we start doing cancer treatment? And unfortunately, what happens too often with hepatitis B is by the time they find the cancer, it's too late. And I remember this doctor saying the brother was like holding me going, how can this be? She felt fine like yesterday, a week ago, and you're telling me she's gonna die within the year, maybe less? Like, we're just making it here in America, and I'm gonna lose my sister. And so this happens just way too often with hepatitis B, and it's like only if she got tested earlier that she could have probably prevented this. And so that was just sticks in my head as a really sad reality.
Yeah, that's a very, very sad story. Thank you. 咁頭先 Richard 咧就提到啦，就係有個真實嘅個案，就係有兩兄妹咧，就係由呢個即係中國咧就移民嚟到美國。咁即係當然佢哋好努力打拼啦。咁結果咧就個妹咧有一日突然之間就發現胃痛，咁初咧就以為唔係咩事，但係結果咧檢查出嚟咧，原來佢已經係末期肝癌。咁就當其時咧就即係佢可能得返即係唔係好耐嘅時間嘅命，同埋咧亦都係冇得救噶啦。咁就喺呢啲情況之下咧，就因為佢呢個肝癌咧係因為乙肝造成嘅。其實如果佢一早做檢查，知道嘅話咧，就可以防止呢一切悲劇嘅發生。而呢兩兄妹咧，當其時咧就啱啱準備咧兩個人咧就喺美國買間屋，就即係生活啱啱開始穩定落嚟。咁呢個咧就可以話係一個相當之即係悲慘嘅故事。咁我哋依家咧就進入另外一段廣告之後見。